Hey guys, so we got ourselves into a 5-floor factory making monitors, very big factory making for big brands. Wasn't really allowed to film there, but we did our best. So let's go. Here we have a backlight strip. So this is the base of the backlight. This is the actual backlight. This little strip there. So it's fitted in the base. After that, the guide for light is applied. It's called light guide. So that layer basically makes sure that light gets spread and evenly around the whole surface. You can see there it's being tested. Next, there are a few more layers are applied of various diffusers. This is prism. Again, to make sure that backlight spreads light evenly. Here we have some plastic frames that are holding everything together basically for the backlight assembly itself. So this is, by the way, some of the layers I was talking about. So if you don't align those layers correctly, you have light bleed. Next, here we have the actual QC test for the backlight, making sure that it powers on. Yes, it's just down the line here. Now, here we come to the actual LCD panel assembly. So the LCDs arrived directly from Korea. I'm sorry for these bad shooting skills here, but I really was like, there was a security guard running behind me. So these are the LCD panels arriving from Korea. They're fitted into the backlight assembly, and once the backlight is on, you can basically see the picture. Yeah, that basically finalizes the process, and then screens go down to the next floor where they just go inside the housing and the stand is attached. So the assembly is actually pretty simple.